In this video, you will learn how to do video face swap for free using this tool called Akool. Hit get started and come down to the bottom. It says face swap. Click on that. This is a free plan. What we can do now is to upload a file. So for this example, I'm going to upload a video that's less than 30 seconds that I have downloaded from TikTok. So here's the file. Click on it and hit open. It's going to analyze the video for us, and then we can do the face swap. This is the video. As you can see, the UGC content creator is talking and moving around. So what we can do now is we're going to add a face that we want it to go on here. In this example, I'm going to download a regular face off of Google search. Go to image. Let's just do something weird. Elon Musk. So we want an image that's a person looking directly into the camera, so we can get the most accurate face tracking. So let's just click on that. That looks pretty good. And let's save it. Let's hop back to Akool. Hit upload. That's the picture of Elon. And hit open. Now we have the face selected. We're going to swap this lady's face with Elon Musk. So down here we can hit generate and see what we get. Now the free version allows you to only process video that's under 30 seconds. If you get the paid plan, you can work on videos that's slightly longer. Okay, now we have the video down here ready for us to look at. So let's click on it. Now you have Elon's face on this girl talking. Now if you are scrolling on social media and you saw this, before you even swipe away, even if you swiped past it, you're going to swipe back because it looks odd. It looks interesting. It's going to catch your eyes. And that's the elements of visual hook that people can implement in their social media content, affiliate shop videos on TikTok, or if you're running an ad on Facebook. So this is a very powerful tool you can use to do that. And in this case, you still have the watermark on the video, and this is a free plan. If you want to upgrade it to a paid plan, they have all the options here. You can pay for monthly subscription or yearly. So if you know that you will be creating a lot of videos like that involving deepfake or creating attention-grabbing visual hooks with UGC creators in the video, I highly recommend checking out this tool. Anyway, if you have enjoyed this tutorial and you want to implement this strategy to create visual hooks that gets people to watch your video longer, I have left a link in the description for you to try out Akool. Thanks for watching.